Hey there, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel if you're already a subscriber. This channel is about towing cars, man, non-consensual towing, and that's what we specialize in. All my content's 100% real. I don't have any paid actors on my channel. Everything you see in my videos is how it went down. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, man. Hit the notification bell. Anyway, peace. Anyway, there's bound to be some wrecks around Atlanta. A little bit of snow. I'm sure there's going to be some wrecks today. We're back at it, man. We'll walk in this office and see what they got, what they want to tow. They're going to tow something out of here. Resident's been parking his car basically wherever he wants to. The manager, she's getting tired of it, so she's called me to tow it. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Here ain't no, this ain't no parking place.
Hey.
What's going on, bro? You gonna have to pay it out, man. You're hooked, you're off the ground. No, bro, you gonna have to pay it, man. Office manager called it in. If you want to pay a drop fee, you can. It's $100.
They didn't tell me anything. They didn't give me a call or anything.
See where you parked at right here, man. I ain't trying to be mean, it's my job. You see where you parked at, right?
Yeah.
You can't park there, man. The manager called it in. It's a $100 drop fee if you want to pay it out.
I mean, it's not.
I can't let it down. It's $100, $100, man. If you want to pay it, you can pay it. If not, I'm gonna tow it. I can write your receipt up if you want, man. I can write you up a receipt, man.
I'm calling them.
Okay, if you want to pay it, you can pay it, bro. It's up to you.
Hey, hey, so, no. I got my car here. I couldn't move it because it was wrong. And I don't know if they were coming for it. And I know I couldn't park it. They were not parking it. Yeah, no, they didn't give me any notice or anything. They just let me know that the car was like this. And before they took out my car and I told them to let it down so I can move it.
It's $100, man. If you want to pay it out, it's $100. I'll write your receipt up real quick. Yep. You parked in a walking zone. This is a walking area. So you're going to have to pay it out, man. I mean, yeah, that's fine. Well, you want to pay it out, man? I'm going to go ahead and lock it out and roll out with it. Okay, I'm just telling you, dude, I'm here to do this. This is what I do. You got the option to pay it out. Now, hey, if you don't want to pay it out, it's going to cost you $175 in our lot. You're fine. If you don't want to pay it, then I'll tow it out.
I didn't have any time.
Okay, it don't matter, man. You're illegally parked, man. You can't block a walkway. You can't block a walkway. That's just what it is. Yeah. And I'm not trying to be harsh. It's my job. I yank cars, man. That's what I do.
So, where do I pay or what?
You can pay with card or cash, man.
Card.
Either, okay. Listen, all you gotta do is call this number right here. Anyway, long story short, he was not happy about that, but the manager don't care. She wasn't happy that hit this parking problem they got in this area. She's tired of the parking. The only way to fix it is to tow these people. That's the only thing that works. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the next call. We just pulled up to the lot here, and we got the Gwinnett County Police Department back over here. The problem with these impounds, every time we yank a car, man, somebody comes out of their house and they get pissed off because we towed it, and they call the police, and they think the police are going to come over here and make us give the car back if they report it stolen. Or the police comes over here and checks it, and the ignition's not ripped out of it, the car ain't been broken into. They realize it got impounded because it had a bad tag or no insurance or whatever reason it was impounded, and then the cops they lift the stolen hold off of it, and the person can come back and get it back from us if they want to come pay it out. But there's a misconception. You call the police on somebody that impounded a car, that the cops are going to come let you get the car back free, and it don't work like that. That's not how this game works. Anyway, we're going to see what's going on out here. Nah. Nah. This guy right here has been towing for many, many years. Hey there, tow trucker, man. I'm here coming over here to pick up my own personal car. It got wrecked earlier today. I hate that it got wrecked, but it really ain't that big of a deal. Like, a lot of people get upset about material stuff. Material stuff don't really mean a thing. The only thing that matters is that my family's okay. Anyway, well, guess that'll do it. I guess it's time to take it to the house.